The Battle of Megiddo, also known as the Battle of Armageddon, took place on September 19, 1918, near the town of Megiddo in present-day Israel during World War I. It was a decisive confrontation between the Allied forces, primarily the British Empire led by General Edmund Allenby, and the Ottoman Empire. The battle was part of the Sinai and Palestine campaign, aiming to capture the strategically important region of Palestine from Ottoman control. Allenby's plan involved a coordinated attack on multiple fronts, utilizing cavalry, infantry, and aircraft to achieve a breakthrough. The Allied forces launched a surprise assault, exploiting a gap in the Ottoman defenses near the ancient ruins of Megiddo. British cavalry, led by General George Chauvel, executed a bold maneuver, encircling and outflanking the Ottoman positions. The Ottoman forces, under the command of German General Otto Liman von Sanders, were overwhelmed by the Allied onslaught. They suffered heavy casualties and were forced into a disorderly retreat. The victory at Megiddo marked a turning point in the campaign, leading to the collapse of the Ottoman front lines in Palestine and Syria. It paved the way for the subsequent capture of Jerusalem and the eventual defeat of the Ottoman Empire, contributing significantly to the Allied victory in the Middle East during World War I.